Central Reserve Police Force has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 212 posts of Group B and C, non-ministerial, non-gazetted, combatized signal staff in CRPF in the cadre of Sub-Inspector, Radio Operator, Crypto Technical, Civil, and ASI Technical Draftsman. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online here. Name of posts: Sub-Inspector RO. Number of posts: 19 UR, 8, AWS, 2, OBC, 5, SC, 3, ST, 1. Qualification: bachelor's degree or equivalent from a recognized university with mathematics, physics, or computer science as subjects. Sub-Inspector Crypto. Number of posts: 7 UR, 2, AWS, 1, OBC, 2, SC, 1, ST, 1. Qualification: bachelor's degree or equivalent from a recognized university with mathematics and physics as subjects. Sub-Inspector Technical. Number of posts: 5 UR, 2, AWS, 1, OBC, 1, SC, 1. Qualification: BE, B. Equivalent in electronics or telecommunication or computer science as the main subject. Or qualified associate member of the Institution of Engineers or Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers. Sub-Inspector Civil Male. Number of posts: 20 UR, 8, AWS, 2, OBC, 5, SC, 3, ST, 2. Qualification: intermediate with 3 years diploma in civil engineering from a recognized board, institution or university or equivalent. Assistant Sub-Inspector Technical. Number of posts: 146 UR, 59, AWS, 15, OBC, 39, SC, 22, ST, 11. Qualification: 10th class pass from a recognized board with 3 years diploma in radio engineering or electronics or computers from a recognized institute. Or BSc, degree in physics, chemistry, and mathematics from a recognized university. Preference shall be given to persons having training in software or hardware computers. Assistant Sub-Inspector Draftsman. Number of posts: 15 UR, 6, AWS, 2, OBC, 4, SC, 2, ST, 1. Qualification: pass in matric with English, general science, and mathematics from a recognized board with 3 years diploma in draftsman course, civil mechanical engineering from a govt, recognized polytechnic. Age limit: Sub-Inspector Radio Operator Crypto Technical, below 30 years as of the closing date of applications. The 21st of May 2023. Date should not be born before the 22nd of May 1993, and for SI, Civil 21 to 30 years as of the closing date of application. The 21st of May 2023. Candidate should not be born before the 22nd of May 1993 or after the 21st of May 2002. Assistant Sub-Inspector Technical, Draftsman, between 18 to 25 years as of the closing date of application. The 21st of May 2023. Candidate should not be born before the 22nd of May 1998 or after the 21st of May 2005. Age relaxation: the category-wise age relaxation is as mentioned below. SC, ST, 5 years. OBC, MOBC, 3 years. How to apply? Interested and eligible candidates may apply online for these vacancy by visiting official CRPF recruitment portal. Starting date of online application submission: the 1st of May 2023. Last date of online application submission: the 21st of May 2023.